Good morning, everyone. This is Sherri with Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon. I want to introduce to you the Ford Edge. Not only is this loaded with a lot of really great features, but right now Ford is offering incentives with interest rates as low as 1.9%. Come on, let's take a look inside. Of course, we've got smart entry, so you just put your hands in and the door unlocks, or you can lock it here. You never have to take your keys out of your purse or your pocket. Inside, your seats are covered with beautiful leather. Very soft, very comfortable seating. And just take a look at this screen. It is giant. So whether you're navigating or you're using it for the features that come with it, you have a very large screen area. It makes everything very easy to see. So it's a little difficult to see in video, but you actually have a giant sunroof that extends all the way back. Let me open that and show you. Now that that's open, you can see how large that is. It's really nice for your backseat passengers in particular. If you're going on a long ride, having that open window, so to speak, above you just really makes it feel less claustrophobic in here. I know that I personally struggle a little bit with car sickness. This helps tremendously. Beautiful, large window that extends the entire length of the roof. This does come with a built-in garage door opener and a nice sales price. Combine that with the Ford incentive on your interest rate, and this is a perfect little car. Built-in plugs for your devices, as well as a wireless charger for your phone. Your phone is fully accessible with the buttons here located right on the steering wheel for your convenience. You have lane assist, collision mitigation, road departure, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There are a lot of other features on here. I won't go over all of them now just for the sake of time, but come in and take a look at this car. You definitely will enjoy everything that it's got with it. My name is Sherri. I'm at Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014.